Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me. I'm Khurul Isfahani, you can call me Khurul. I'm from class 4C and majoring in English Education Department, SUNAN Gunung Jati, Bandung. Firstly, I want to tell you the reason why I made this video. Actually, I made this video for fulfill my assignment in teaching English for young learners course, and here I want to share with you about the characteristic of young learners and how to fix with them. I get 5 of the characteristics, and let's get started. So the first one is active. You guys should know, right? The characteristic of young learners is active. The young learners must be active, even in the class or out of the class. And as a teacher, we can handle the active learners. And I think to handle the active learners, we can try to make some games like guessing games or Simon Says games. And then for the second one is imitate. Young learners are learned by adults, so as a teacher we should give them the best gesture so they can imitate our best. And then for the third is imaginative. Young learners are so imaginative and active, and as a teacher we can teach them give them storytelling or anything else. And the next characteristic is talkative. For handle the talkative learners, we can try to talk with them with the topic they like. And last is curious. Young learners must be very curious about anything. So as a teacher, we can teach them in the class using realia or give an example of give them picture or maybe videos and anything else. So I think that's all about the characteristic of young learners and how to handle with them. So the next topic I want to share with you is about 3 theories from VYGOTSKY, PIAGET, and BRUNER. For the first theory, it came from VYGOTSKY. He said that young learners are more suitable to learn by the environment in social, because by learn in social it can build the character. And in VYGOTSKY theory, he said about ZPD, zone proximal development. It means the distance between what the learners know and what the learners don't know how to do the things. And then the second theory came from PIAGET. He said that young learners are not suitable to learn independently, and they need a guide for do the things, aka a teacher. And last theory came from BRUNER, Brunner. He said that young learners are be able to learn by scaffolding talk. That means they need teacher for give them knowledge. So guys, I think that's all. I'm sorry for my mistake. Thank you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.